Hi student, today we are going to discuss this Edexcel Advance Level P4 2018 June paper. We have to discuss this question number 4 that this volume rate sum. The water container shaped at the cone, circular cone, right? Shape of the whole cone, right circular cone with semi-vertical angle 30, that 30 shown the figure, okay? So that height of the container 50 centimeters. That height of the container 50 centimeter. The depth of the water container H, like this, a water container H, and the surface water radius R. That surface radius R. Uh, the volume of the water V. That water V. Show that one. Then last part, second part. Given the volume of the like. Volume of the water container increases rate 200 cubic centimeter per second. Find the rate change depth of the water. First part we are going to discuss first, right? Actually we have to show that water volume 1 over T pi h cubic, h is there, are removing. Actually what is the cone volume? 1 over 3 pi r squared h. That V equal 1 over 3 pi r squared h. H including this, that r you can remove. That's your first point. We know actually use this what? Trigonometry. This this tan 30 equal opposite or adjacent. Then we can find the r and h. Right. Tan 30 equal r over h. So r should become r equal h tan 30. So that h tan 30 1 over root 3. Right. So that cross multiply, that meaning h over root 3. Uh, yeah, h, like h over root 3. Then your r value substitute v. Okay. That r value substitute in h. That v 1 over 3 pi times h over root 3 power of 2 times h. So that pi times h power of 2 times h over 3, root 3 times root 3 means 3, like that. So answer come like v 1 over 3 1 over 9, okay, 339, yeah, 1 over 9 h pi h cubic. Pi h cubic. This first part, okay. I think you are understanding. First, you use this volume water. This cone volume 1 over 3 pi r squared h. He gave that data, that 30-degree angle, and r. R you take in h and substitute. Then you can find that value. Okay, first part, okay. Uh, right. So you understand, no? Right. Now we are going to list this. That second part carefully. When the depth of the water in centimeter is okay, given that volume water is container increases, okay, constant rate 200 cubic centimeter. Oh, what is the meaning of volume increases? dV by dt equal 200. Yeah, 200 cubic centimeter, oh, like this. Find the rate change depth of the water. It's equal 50. Depth of the water rate change in your fraction dH by dt. Yeah, it's equal 50. Right. Now we have built up that equation. We know actually what is a V. V equal already you done 5h cubic over 9. And we have an expansion. First you can find the dV by dH. Right. Differentiate. dV by dH equal 5 times 3h power of 2 over 9. So 3 times 1, 3 times 3. So 5h power of 2 over 3. dV by dH. Yeah. Now we need to this depth of rate. Now what is it? Find the rate of rate the change of the depth of the water dH h equal 15 terms of 5. Okay, right. So how to do this? Then we can write dH by dt. Arrange the equation dH over dV times dV over dt. Right. Uh, Now we know that dV by dx 5x squared over 3 dH of V mean your reciprocal take 3 over 5h power of 2. Okay. Now I think you are understanding. Okay. Then dV by dt already is gave 200. Yeah, 200. Okay. So that h equal 15 mean then you can substitute 3 times 200 over 5 times 15 times 15. Right. So that 3 times 1, 3 times 5, 5 times 4 and 0, then 5 times 3 and 5 times 8. So your answer come 8 over 3, 5. That's the answer. Now your questions okay. Not hard. Already you done that. V equal 1 or 5 r squared. The question rate depth of the water. Now the meaning dH by dt. Use your formula build up equation. Then we know V equal 5 h squared so 9. This is a differentiate. Then we can find the V by dH that value. Then you arrange this equation. Yeah, dH by dt mean dH over dV over dt. That's your take reciprocal. And dV by dt already gave. And your h value substitute, then you can find that value. I think this is not hard. This type sums every year should become right. Thanks so much for my video. Please all past papers uploaded. Then you watch my channel. You know actually that channel. Yeah, math expert Hema. Telephone number not 718 double 800 All classes conduct now Hema Prigulasekara. So my name P1 is P1, P2, S1, M1 and P3, P4 A level and that further maths also and GCE O level. Okay. And GC and IGSC and local syllabus combined maths and there's a local syllabus all also English and single medium all. Okay. Conduct classes if you need the classes very reasonable charges like that my telephone number your contact my telephone number any in future I arrange this Rajiv area group classes and now now these days conduct like individual classes and online also. Right. Thanks so much for my video. Thanks.